the Woodsmen.
Hey!
Walt, I have the greatest idea for an adventure. Let's go explore the lost mines of Malikili. Is that a... What is that? Is that a bird? Oh God, it's coming from inside my brain. Shut it off. It's not coming from my brain. Well, I don't care where it's coming from. It better shut off. My favorite TV show is about to start. What is that? The Pirate Mime. What the hell is the Pirate Mime? It's a show about a mime that mimics pirate activities. Fuck it, we'll watch it anyway. Turn it up, it's bullshit if you have to watch it with all this noise. I can hardly hear it! It sucks! I know what we'll do. Let's just pretend the sound's not here. Okay. So, did you have a fun day? Oh yeah, I went to the river this morning to throw rocks at salmon. Did you kill any? Like 100. Where were you this afternoon? What do you mean? I called and I got the busy signal. The busy signal? Yeah, I haven't heard it in years. I don't think I've ever heard it. What's it sound like? Meep, 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 meep. Oh yeah, meep. But that's not it. You're doing it wrong. Meep, it's more like this. Meep, 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 meep. Stop! The bird is taking control of our lives. We must find it and put it out of our misery. It's hard to tell where it's coming from. Abnormal acoustics. What do you know about acoustics? I wrote the Bible. Oh. I think it's coming from that bird. Disintegrate it. That wasn't it. I think it's coming from that bird. Destroy it. Fuck. This isn't working. I don't think it's a bird. Let's go. Oh God, it's morphing. Is it giving birth? I think it's trying to communicate. All right, here's the plan. Let's each go invent machines that let us communicate with the bird. Okay. What? Where's your invention? What? You were supposed to invent something. Were you just playing Nintendo this whole time? No, I invented this Nintendo. Well, let's test out mine. They just keep saying, someone's trying to break into me. Someone's trying to break into me. It's totally fucking insane. No one must ever see the results of this vile contraption. We must throw it into the hottest volcano in the land. This'll do. Well, our only option now is to drown out the sound with music.
Riding in the prayers through 2 time zones. Alex Graham Bell in the telephone.
This sounds great. By the way, where'd you get this stereo? Well, earlier this morning I stole it from that car. I think I just figured it out. We have to murder every single bird in this entire forest.